Hi there, and welcome to this Black Belt membership training. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step on how to create and manage documents for your school, like agreements, waivers, and program rules. Before you start entering registrations or adding members, it's a good idea to have your documents set up. So let's dive in. To get started, head over to Setup, then click on Documents and Waivers. You'll see a few documents already there. These are locked templates provided by Black Belt membership. You're welcome to use them as they are, or if you need to customize anything, you can clone and adjust them to fit your school's needs. Now, an important note, once a document has been signed by a member, it's locked in place. That means you can't go back and delete, change, or edit it. Why? It's about protecting both you and your students. If a member signs a document, you both need to have identical copies for legal clarity and peace of mind. If you do need to make a change to a signed document, the best practice is to clone it. That creates a new version you can edit. Once the new version is ready, you'll reissue it to your members and they'll sign it again. Let's go ahead and take a look at one. You can click on a document to preview it. If something doesn't look right, for example, if you want to update line 10, just click Clone. Now you've got an editable copy. Make your changes, rename it, something like Recurring Payment Agreement updated April 2025. And that becomes the new version going forward. Keep in mind, when it comes to financial documents, Black Belt membership only allows one active version at a time. So once you update it, that becomes the version used with all future members. Let's create a new document together. In this example, I'll build an Aftercare Rules and Regulations form for my after-school program. Click Create New Document. We'll name it Aftercare Rules and Regulations. For the document type, we'll choose Miscellaneous. This isn't a financial agreement or waiver, just a set of guidelines for parents and students. Language, English. Do we want it required at registration? Not in this case. It's only for families in the Aftercare program. But we do want a signature, so we'll check that box. Now let's paste in our rules and policies. If you have them saved elsewhere, just copy and paste here. To personalize the document, we'll add placeholders. These autofill each member's information when the document is assigned. Click Insert Placeholder and choose what you need. Member's full name, date of birth, gender, family contact name, business phone number, business email. If you manage multiple locations, these placeholders are especially helpful to make sure the right details show up for each family. It also keeps your documents consistent across all programs and locations. Once everything's in place, click Preview to check how it looks. If all looks good, go ahead and click Submit. Your new document is now live. It's active, requires a signature, and isn't yet assigned to any members, so you can still edit it. Just remember, once it's attached to a member, it's locked in. Want to make a change later? Just clone it and make a new version. Now let's talk about how to assign documents to a member. There are two ways to do this. During the registration process, when you're finishing up a new enrollment. From the Member Summary page, under the Documents tab. Here, you'll see a list of documents that haven't been assigned yet. Just check the ones you want to include and click Add. That's it. Now we've added the Aftercare Rules and Regulations, along with any other required documents. Once the member signs, they're all set, and so are you. If you run into any questions or need help customizing your documents, feel free to reach out. The team at Black Belt Membership is always here to support you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next training.